Train to pass by will be a Southeastern 465. 465012. That is not in service apparently. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a pair of Southeastern 375s. Well, 375819 was on the rear of that. I don't really know what was on the front. But all I know is that they're bound for Charing Cross. Okay, arriving now is the 1321 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross. Leading the way is 466008. In the middle is 465910. And on the rear is 465187. Okay, departing now is the 1321 Southeastern service to Charing Cross. Okay, the next train to pass by will be another 375 or 377, I don't know. (375-811) bound for Dover Priory. Okay, arriving now is the 1328 Southeastern service to Sevenoaks. Leading the way is 465048. In the middle is 465031. And I shall get the rear when it leaves. Okay, departing now is the 1328 Southeastern service to Sevenoaks. On the rear is 466022, and I'll keep filming as I just clocked this. (375-620) bound for London Charing Cross. Okay, departing now is the Southeastern service bound for Bromley North. This is worked by 465 0. I couldn't see what it was. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a pair of Southeastern 375s. (375-920) and 375-701 bound for Hastings. Next stop for that will be Orpington. Okay, arriving now is the 1337 Southeastern service to London Cannon Street. This is worked by 465922. Okay, departing now is the 1337 Southeastern service to Cannon Street. Arriving now is the 1347 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross. Leading the way is 376004. And I shall get the rear when it leaves. Okay, departing now is the 1347 Southeastern service to Charing Cross. On the rear is 376014. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a Southeastern 375. (377-509), 377 actually, bound for Maidstone East. But why is it passing through platform 4? It should be passing through platform 2. What the hell? Okay, the next train to pass by will be a pair of Southeastern 375s. (375-612) bound for Ramsgate. And I'll keep filming as here we have another 375 about to pass by, bound for Charing Cross. It's actually a 377, 377-523. Why do I keep thinking they're 375s, bro? Like, why? Okay, the next train to pass by will be a Southeastern 375. (375-809). Nice whistle from the driver. And there it goes, bound for Charing Cross. Okay, arriving now is the 1401 Southeastern service to Sevenoaks. Leading the way is 465153. On the rear is 465045. Okay, departing now is the 1401 Southeastern service to Sevenoaks. Okay, arriving now is the 1403 Southeastern service to London Cannon Street. This is worked by 465908. Okay, departing now is the 1403 Southeastern service to London Cannon Street. Okay, the next train to pass by will be a Southeastern 375. 375919 and 375905 bound for Hastings.